और ये देखिए, ये गेंद पड़ने के बाद थोड़ा सा बाहर निकला और काफी था एज लेने के लिए। लाजवाब बॉलिंग, अपने जाल में फंसाया।
Well, the classy young man just hung his bat out, and the resultant edge was gleefully accepted there by the wicketkeeper. Regulation catch. Yadav makes no mistake. That's the way to the dressing room, young man. The umpire has signaled out, so he'll make that long walk back. The youngster gone for 10 of 9, and in the second over, Delhi reduced now to 11 for 1.
Change of angle for the left-hander, and he's given. He thought about it, he had a long look, and then he decided that Ashdul was in front of the stumps. And this is what we are talking about. That ball lipping back into the right-hander. And the left-arm seamer strikes for Railways.
बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट द रन ऑफ द प्ले अराउंड द विकेट आए राहुल शर्मा 32 पर आउट यशदुल 78 for 2 दिल्ली.
Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli is off stump. Knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan. And Delhi lose their third wicket. The crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium has absolutely gone silent.
जी हाँ, ये लम्हा सांगवान को हमेशा याद रहेगा। इससे पिछली गेंद पे चौका जरूर खाया था, पर इस गेंद को बैट और पैड के बीच में से उस गैप को निकालते हुए ऑफ स्टंप को इस तरीके से उड़ाते हुए विराट कोहली को पेविलियन भिजवाते हुए। जी हाँ, विराट कोहली पेविलियन लौटते हुए केवल 6 रन बना के दिल्ली मुश्किलों में।
And another wicket here for Sangwan. He's on fire. He picked up the wicket of Virat Kohli in the previous over. Now he cleans up Sanat.
और इस बार सनत को चलता किया। 30 पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे, बट सांगवान एक डिफरेंट ही ऊर्जा लेकर चौथा झटका। 30 पर लौटेंगे सनत। दिल्ली 97 for 4.
There it is, in the air! There is a fielder there, straight to him! Gone on 99 is the skipper. Just a little impatience cost the skipper of Delhi his wicket. On 99 well-played runs. What an anti-climax this is at the Arun Jaitley Stadium.
एक एक्सीलेंट पारी 99 पर आयुष बदोनी आउट। दिल्ली 230 पे 4.
Got him! One that kept a little low. So the option of carrying on with the spinner working for Railways. Rajavanshi.
39 पे प्रणव राजवंशी पेविलियन लौटते हुए।
Once again going for the pull, and this time he takes it. It's a good take this. It could have been misleading because the batter was trying to pull the ball and his eyes could have gone towards the leg side, but that doesn't happen. He kept his eyes on the ball and he had to change direction. The keeper does well to take it comfortably enough.
इमीडिएटली रिडेम्पशन 14 पर लौटना होगा 310 पे 7.
ये कैच हो सकता है और हाथ में जाती हुई यहां पे बल्ला फेंका है और एज भी दिया। जिस चीज की तलाश थी वो यहां पे रेलवे को मिलती हुई। एक और विकेट।
Well, he bowled the sucker ball, didn't he? Threw it outside off stump, had a huge drive at it and smartly held. It's good bowling, good catching, good cricket all over. Really good catching. Really deserved that wicket. Well, Siddhant Sharma after well made 18 gone, caught Vivek Bol. Kunal Delhi after 100 overs 348 for 8.
This will be close. Yes, the umpire agrees. Session puts his finger up, and the success for Sangwan. He set the cat among the pigeons by varying his length and also making the ball seam. It's a big wicket of Mathur. Fuller length, a bit of shape in there, and then it nipped back to catch the left-hander plumb in front.
जहां बिल्कुल प्लम ओवर द विकेट आए सांगवान और बिल्कुल बीचों बीच वहां पर माथुर पाए गए. अनफॉर्चुनेटली हताश होकर पेविलियन लौटना होगा. 86 पर 358 पर 9. यहां पर क्लीन बोल्ड. सांगवान और स्टंप्स की प्रेम कहानी जारी यहां पर.
Fuller length, giving the ball to seam around a little bit and beats Grewal comprehensively. And that's the end of the Delhi innings. Grewal obviously can't believe his eyes that he's missed the ball completely. Delhi bowled out for 374 and they have a lead of 133 runs in the first innings. Sangwan has been